Namaste, my name is Dhio and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share some knowledge behind why do we cross our fingers when we are making a wish. Okay, all of us have been doing this when we were kids, when we've grown up. You even have emojis now where people send you this when you say something nice or when they're wishing you good luck or anything related with a wish. We always have been crossing our fingers. Okay, so why are we doing that? Why not any other finger? Why the index finger and the middle finger? And why is it always, even if you try it right now, we always cross our finger with the middle finger going behind the index finger. It'll never be the index finger going behind the middle finger. It's always the other way around. So why is that? You know, how come we've been programmed to do it in such a way? Or is it in our DNA? Or is it some ancient knowledge that all of us know about, but in time have forgotten the true meaning behind it? Okay, so this is what I'm going to talk about now. Now, mudras in a nutshell are hand gestures, finger gestures, body gesture, eye gestures done in a particular way to manipulate something that we want. Okay, something that we want in our physical self, in our mental self, or in our spiritual self. Okay, so if you hold a Gyan mudra when you're meditating is to get spiritual knowledge. Similarly, there are a lot of different mudras that are there, but one mudra which in time has completely lost its meaning and there's no written material available anywhere about this mudra is called the Kash mudra. Okay, Kash mudra means a wish. Okay, Kash basically means wish. So here in India we always say Kash मैं ये कर सकता, Kash मैं वो कर सकता, Kash ये मेरा होता, Kash मैं वहाँ जा सकता. So wish I could do this, wish I could do that, wish I could travel to that place. So the word Kash basically means wish. Okay, and the way you do that mudra is you take your index finger, you take your middle finger and you cross it and you make that wish what you making. Okay, so this is the basic origin of how all of us have been crossing our fingers and making a wish. Okay, so now why the index finger and the middle finger? So in the science of mudras, this finger, the index finger, represents wind, air, or it represents a soul. The different way of seeing it represents you, the soul. Okay, so when you, the soul, makes a wish, now the middle finger represents Akash. Now Akash doesn't mean the blue sky that you see. Akash is a space that surrounds us all over. It's above us, below us. Now the word Akash, if you break it, okay, A is the first word of Om and Kash again means wish. Okay, so basically we are surrounded in a wishing space. Okay, so when you make a wish, the entire Akash now backs you up. Okay, like all of us say, okay, I've got your backing, I've got her backing, she backs me up or he backs me up. Similarly, Akash backs you up to make your wish come true. So in the ancient time, people would meditate this way and sometimes they would hold this gesture till their wish would come true. So what they would do is they would tie these two fingers up with whatever they could. Okay, so that when they're sleeping and doing other activities, this wouldn't open up. If it open up, that means again, they start the whole process again. They would say that, okay, I'll hold it for 3 months or I'll hold it for a year or I'll hold it till the time my wish comes true. So this is the reason behind it. You, when you make a wish, the entire Akash, the entire space that we are surrounded in, which means a wish, okay, backs you up now for your wish to come true. This is why all of us have been doing this. Okay, so you can try this when you're meditating, you can meditate this way, or you can do it just the way you've been normally doing it now, but make sure you have the knowledge behind it now. That, okay, this is the science behind it, this is the knowledge behind this, and teach this to your kids, because even kids are doing this, you know, I wish I get this and all. So teach them the reason behind this, teach them give them the proper knowledge behind this. Okay, because in time it's been lost and it's important all this knowledge comes back to us. Okay, so yeah, try this out and I wish for all good things to come your way. Till I see you again, have a good life. Namaste.